Shri Konda Vishweshwar Reddy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. So the bill proposes to establish 6 new IITs and convert the Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, into another IIT. On behalf of the Telangana Rashtra Samiti, I stand to support this bill, sir. But of course, the concerns are raised not only by the members, but the minister himself about quality of education, quality of research in the country, sir. Also, I think Prahlad Joshi mentioned about dilution of standards, sir. Yes, while there's no immediate concern about the dilution of standard, we have to keep an eye, because the older IITs, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Powai, and Chennai, so Kanpur, Kharagpur, they definitely have a higher brand than the newer IITs, sir. So we need to be concerned about the dilution of the brand. Sir, I was an adjunct faculty member teaching electrical engineering, and I interviewed more than 3,000 electrical engineers in the last 25 years, sir. The quality has really become abysmal, sir. So the ABCDs of electrical engineering is voltage and current. There are a lot of equations and formulas, mathematical formulas. And a lot of our students get all the formulas right, all the mathematics right. But if you ask 90% of them, if you ask them the simple question, is it because of voltage there's current, or is it because of current there's voltage, most of them do not know, sir. That is the gap between theory and practice, sir. Absolutely. Absolutely. The electricians know more, sir. And that is the gap between theory and practice. We are masters of theory, sir, but when it comes to practice, there's no continuity. So the engineers do not know how to weld, and the welders do not know how to engineer, sir. So recently a US patent was granted to a company which I was associated with, 9393168 patent number, US patent number. IIT engineers worked on it and failed, sir. And finally, 6 12 standard dropout apprenticeships worked on it, and the patent was granted just this month, sir, about a week back, sir. So that some of our apprenticeships who are school dropouts are better than some of the mechanical engineers. That's because of the gap between theory and practice, sir. Also, sir, one of the very alarming things in final year, we are supposed to do a project, sir, and that's when they really learn. Nowadays, there are shops which sell the projects, sir. They not only sell the projects, but they also sell the project report. You just have to fill the name and submit it. And what are the projects, sir? Solar pump controller, SMS controller, robotic arm, solar kits. These are actually toys sold in US for US high school students. And here they're submitted as engineering projects, sir. So many states are proud they opened so many engineering colleges, sir. But I'm very proud, sir. Our ministry, the government of Telangana recognized that many engineering colleges, instead of making the future of the students bright, they are destroying, sir. They're ensuring that 4 years are wasted and a lot of parents' money are wasted, and ensuring these are going to be unemployable, sir. Engineers today are among the most unemployable, sir. So I'm very proud to say our state has actually closed down 174 engineering colleges which are substandard and wasting students' lives, sir. I hope we need to take such proactive steps at a national level, sir. Sir, research cannot be done in isolation. Cross-pollination is very, very important. And IITs, I think one of the speakers said that these are islands of excellence in a sea of mediocrity. Absolutely, sir. But if you look at the funding, 4,900 crores to the IITs, to the NITs 2,500, but to the other state and other engineering colleges, hardly any money, sir. While we are actually funding these elite institutions, let that trickle down to the other institutions, sir, the lesser fortunate. So let those IIT curriculum, let the professors also transfer that knowledge and teaching skills down to the other engineering colleges, sir. Most importantly, sir, the cross-pollination is very important. Many speakers said that. And foreign faculty, sir. We definitely need foreign faculty. The best of the universities all over have Indian professors, Chinese professors, German, French, all over in United States and Europe. But in ours, we hardly see foreign professors, sir. And actually, there's the government program called GYAN, the Global Initiative Academic Network, is fantastic, sir. But I think it's being misused, sir. Especially in University of Hyderabad, that program allows foreign professors to come here, but who are those foreign professors, sir? Mostly PIOs, NRIs, and OCIs. And they come here not because they are great in that subject, they come here only because they are from that native place and they want to come back to India because they have to marry their children. So the research, I think Prakash Javadekar ji said that research is about not compilation of knowledge, but creation of new knowledge, sir. How does new knowledge get created, sir? You take raw data, convert it to information, and convert the information to knowledge, and thereafter into wisdom, sir. So for that, we need the raw data, sir. Many of our institutions are denied this data, sir. Indian National Center for Oceanographic Institute is in my constituency, sir. And the data that is required is not available for research, sir. Recently, thank you, sir.
Please continue.
Yeah. So the data is the raw material for creation of new knowledge, sir, and that is not accessible because of multiple laws relating to security, relating to so many other departments, sir. So we have so many buoys in the Indian oceans, and we also have what are called as gliders, which we leave them and they glide down to the surface, to the ocean bottom, collecting all the data. So this data, our own buoys, we can't get, and definitely we can't get from the other countries surrounding the Indian Ocean. But for security reasons, we are not allowed to exchange data. Also, we are not allowed to use Iridium satellite for collection of this data. Some of these barriers of collection of data need to be removed. So many other instances, biotechnology in Kerala, German scientists wanted to exchange data about radioactivity, effect on DNA. They could not. I think we need to get those back, sir. So just as welders cannot engineer and engineers cannot weld, we don't have the welding machines in most of the institute. If there are 60 mechanical engineers, you need at least 30 welding machines, sir. Most of the colleges do not have 30 working welding machines, sir. And I think this is the risk of obsolescence, sir. Most importantly, sir, I think Savanji and some mentioned. Yeah, I'll just conclude, sir. 2, 3. Savanji and a few others explained. So I'm actually very proud to say, sir, 30%, close 29 to 30% of all IIT students are Telugu-speaking students, sir. I'm actually very proud, but I'm not proud of one fact, sir. Why? Because these are the places, my state and my friends, my neighboring state is full of coaching camps, sir. Actually, they are more like concentration camps. You put in, they take a lot of money, and they coach them for what? Coach them not in the subject of engineering, how to get the highest marks so that they get in, sir. They are actually concentration camps, sir. They teach them theory without practice, sir. And these are the students who get highest marks in electrical engineering without knowing whether voltage causes current or current causes voltage, sir. So there are many more points, sir. The cost of education is important. And if you are increasing, last 2 points, if you are increasing the fee, please ensure that no deserving student is denied because of lack of funds, sir. So, lastly, sir, last 2 points, sir. I have a couple of suggestions, sir, to counter all these, to overcome this. Number one is bring the industry into the institution and take the institution to the industry through apprenticeship systems, sir, and that will really help the quality of engineering. Lastly, sir, I'm last point, sir, extremely glad that our neighboring state is bestowed with IIT, because the poor people of Andhra should not travel all the way to Hyderabad for education. Similarly, poor people for justice should not travel all the way to Hyderabad for justice. Let them also have a separate high court, sir. Thank you so much.
Sri M.B. Rajesh.